Hello, and welcome back to part 4 of our responsive restaurant website project. In this part, we'll be designing our special meals section. Let's dive right in. So we'll create a section with class name content section and use an h5 tag to create our subtitle. Then we'll use an h2 tag to specify our headline. We'll write some boilerplate text using a paragraph tag. Next, we'll create a div with class name row, and inside it we are going to place 3 different columns which will represent our special meals. Each meal is going to have an image, a name, a short description, and an order button. Now, let's write some CSS to style our section. So we are going to select the content section class, set its display to flex, its flex direction to column, align its items to center. We're also going to align the text to center and also give it some margin. For the subtitle, we'll give it this yellowish background. Set its weight to fit content. Provide 10 pixels padding around the text. Give it a font size of 1.3 em. Give it a bold font weight. And a dark brown color. For the headline text, we are going to give it a large font size. (20 pixel margin top and bottom), and the same color as our subtitle text. We are going to give the paragraph a fixed width. Give it a top margin of 20 pixels and set its font size. Now, let's move on to styling our row items. For the row class, we are going to set its display to flex, put space around the content, and give it a top margin of 30 pixels. Next, we'll style our column class. We'll give it a flex basis of 300 pixels. And give it a 40 pixel horizontal margin. For the meal images, we are going to set a width of 100%. And for the meal names, we'll give it a font size of 2 EM, a 20 pixel vertical margin, a dark brown color, and a font weight of 800. For the button, we'll set its background color to this red color. Give it a bold font weight. Set its color to white. Ten pixel padding on the top and bottom, and 20 pixels padding on the left and right. And we are also going to give our button a lighter color when it is hovered on. And that is it for this part. In the next part, we are going to create our featured meal section. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.